In this video, we'll show you how to analyze your schema for better SEO. When implemented correctly, schema can transform how your website appears in search results, enabling rich snippets like star ratings, product information, FAQs, and more. These enhanced listings not only improve your site's visibility, but also increase click-through rates by providing users with more relevant information at a glance. But it's not just about getting noticed. Optimizing your schema ensures that your content is accurately represented across all search engines and platforms. Step 1. Install the Superintent extension by going to superintent.io. Click the Install Chrome extension button. You'll be redirected to the extension page. Click Add to Chrome. You can bookmark the newly installed extension for a better and faster experience. Step 2. Go to the page you wanted to analyze and click the icon on the top right side of the browser. This will then show you the metadata analysis, together with other details such as headings and keyword analysis. As you navigate through any web page, the Superintent extension automatically analyzes the page's schema markup in real time. Schema markup is critical for helping search engines understand the content on your page, leading to rich results like enhanced listings, knowledge panels, and more. Our schema analysis feature provides a detailed overview of all key elements embedded in the page, including organization. Displays details about the organization behind the website, such as the name, logo, and contact information. Breadcrumb shows the breadcrumb trail, helping search engines and users understand the structure of your site. Article analyzes content marked up as an article, providing insights into the title, author, and publication date. Product reveals product details, including the name, description, SKU, and pricing, vital for e-commerce sites. Local business displays information specific to local businesses, such as the business name, address, and opening hours. Review breaks down review details, including the rating, author, and review body, which are essential for influencing customer decisions. FAQ shows the FAQ section, providing a list of questions and answers that help with both SEO and user experience. No matter the type of content, whether it's an article, product page, or local business listing, the Superintent extension gives you an in-depth look at the schema markup. This allows you to ensure that your structured data is correctly implemented, which is crucial for improving how your content is displayed in search results. Want to know more about this lightweight and powerful tool to help your business? Check out the related video in the description box below. Got questions or topics you want us to cover? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.